nga nagpanalakaper ka ron.
Second time na siya. Nahadlok na magbunal.
Nagpanalakaper na ka, no? Oh, improvement. Ay, up, Sanjay. It's okay. Very good. Almost done. Almost finished. Sige, taas mama. Excuse me. I cannot see. I can see. Wait, I can see. Very good ako, baby, no? Magpakat na siya ng nails, no? This is the second time. No? Second time na ninisigot ka na katiran ka. Very good na na akong baby, oy. Nag-improve naman na akong langga, oy. Magpanel cutter naman na siya, oy. Second time na ito. It's okay. Okay. Ay, Sanjay? Hanger? Ay, it's okay. It's okay. Ay,
Almost done up.
almost finished. It's okay.
Napay-bubur yung gamay, no?
Pero susugot na siya. Wala dati ay hadyo birang na kamot. Maghilak-hilak ko dito. 1, 2.
Murago siya mabuhat ba?
Sabi na ko, very good. Kaya na almost done, no? 3 fingers na lang. 1, 2 more. Last 2 fingers. Good job. 1, 2. Sa gilid. 1, 2. No, ha?